What's up guys, coming today with a new video. So today I'll be answering why Chinese people eat almost anything. So this question has crossed the minds of many people. A well-known Chinese saying says that Chinese people eat almost anything on the floor that has four legs other than a table, anything that flies other than an airplane, and anything that swims other than a submarine. So let's watch this small video to know what are the types of species or some types of species that the Chinese people eat. Let's get started and get into further details. Okay, so today I'll be just mentioning the reasons behind this, and I'm not offending anybody or criticizing anybody. I'm just mentioning the reasons as I said, and I respect the Chinese people. There are many reasons of why Chinese people eat almost everything, and some of those reasons are religion, second, relating to something medical, third, geography and species, and finally, relating back to something historical. Religion. Most Chinese people don't have religious restrictions upon eating, unlike other religions which consider some of those things as a taboo. Next, relating to something medical. So a lot of Chinese people believe that there are medical benefits from eating such types of food. Third, population and species. So the Chinese population now is more than 1.4 billion. Yes, more than 1.4 billion, and it's considered the most populated country in the whole world. So this plays an important role because big amount of food is needed to feed all of these people. And in addition to that, we have another reason for this is the variety of species for animals. We have a big varieties of species of animals, so this also plays a major role. Okay, finally, so apart from all the reasons mentioned, the reason for Chinese people to eat such things relates back to something historical when the Chinese people were so poor and they wanted a continuation for their life. So when they ate such types of food, it didn't really matter, and today they just adapted to these types of food and they found it delicious. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to tell me in the comment section below what do you think and what are your thoughts, because I want to hear them. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and like, and see you in the next video.